Well, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and I hope you're all doing really well. So today I have another unboxing video, and today I am going to be unboxing the November beauty box from Look Fantastic. So as you guys know, if you are regulars to this channel, I unbox the Look Fantastic beauty box every single month. Every single month I get the latest subscription and I unbox it for you. Also, if you have stumbled across this video and you are interested in trying the Look Fantastic beauty box and you want to subscribe to the service, then I do have a discount code that you can use. So if you would like to receive 10% off your first box when you subscribe for either 3, 6 or 12 months, you simply use the code EmilyDBB at checkout and you will receive your first box for 10% off. I'll leave links and information to all of that down below if you are interested. So let's have a look and see what we've got. Also, if you are new to this channel, then hello, welcome to you all. My name is Emily, and if you would like to support me, then you can do so by simply clicking that subscribe button and also by clicking that notification bell down below to receive updates whenever I post new videos. So this is what the box looks like. It's this really dark mulberry purple colour, and this month's box is themed around autumn evenings and cozy nights in and embracing autumn colours. And the box this month is called the Firecracker box, so really kind of embracing those like warm evenings by the fire and just spent cozying up by the fire. And let's face it, with what's happening on Thursday here in the UK, aka lockdown, that's pretty much all we're going to be doing, so I'm here for that. So let's open this up and see what we got inside. So we open the box and it says, "Be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire." Oh, I like that quote. I really like that quote. And then we have a little booklet as ever with some information about the products and what you get inside. And then at the back we get a sneak peek of what is going to be, or one of the products that's going to be inside next month's box, so December's box. And it's a product from Avant, and it's their Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Cream. First up we have a skincare product, and it's the Polaar Ice Pure Micellar Cleansing Water. This is a 50ml size, and you know what, I really like me a micellar cleansing water. I actually use micellar waters over using like makeup wipes. I can't stand makeup wipes, fun fact, so I use things like this quite a lot. And I love the packaging as well. It's really pink and pretty, and it says that it contains Arctic cotton, which I didn't know was a thing, but apparently it is. I'm going to actually just give this a quick smell. Doesn't have a scent to it. I don't think it's a fragrance product, which I'm very happy about because I'm not overly fond of using anything too fragranced on my face. I don't like it. So this sounds really nice. I'm going to get some information up about this because I've never tried it before and I don't know the brand. So I'm not entirely sure what to expect really, but that's what I like, that with this box you always get things that you've never tried before, well at least I do.
Purify and refresh your complexion with the Polar Arctic Cotton Micellar Water, a luxurious, transparent fluid that expertly cleanses the skin, lips and eyes without over-drying or uncomfortable tightness. Harnessing the powers of Arctic cotton, the gentle cleanser effortlessly eliminates dirt, pollution and even the most stubborn makeup to reveal a clearer, brighter complexion. Delivers long-lasting moisture and hydration to leave skin feeling soft, supple and revitalized.
So that's the first product you get, and yeah, I'm excited about that. And I'm always using micellar waters and I always run out of them, so I always need new ones. Next up we have a nail varnish, and this is from Nails Inc, and this is the All Fired Up nail varnish, and this is in the shade Portland Square. Now this is like a very kind of pillar box bright red. It's got a slight orange undertone to it, so it's got a nice bit of warmth to it, and it's like that really nice true bright red. So this looks very nice. I do actually like Nails Inc nail varnishes. They are really good quality and they last really well and they don't chip and they're easy to apply and they dry pretty quickly, so I'll definitely get used out of this. And I love the fact they've gone with a red, a really nice orangey red to kind of go with that fire autumnal theme. So there we are. Next up we have something from a brand called, I want to say, is it Naobay or Naobay? It's spelled Naobay, so I'm guessing Naobay, but I could be wrong, so I'm really sorry about that if I have got the pronunciation wrong there. So many brands that I've never tried before and I'm like, I don't know how to pronounce this. But this is their Detox Unpolluted Oxygen Light Facial Cream, and this is a 50ml size. And I'm also loving the packaging. They've used this kind of like wooden cork stopper at the bottom of the tube, which feels really interesting to feel. I'm not entirely sure what it does, but I've got some information from the website on this, so I'm going to read what it says.
The lightweight cream delivers moisture without causing any greasiness. A combination of green tea, ginkgo, aloe vera and raspberry lends the formula a pleasant feel that regulates the moisture levels and is ideal for all skin types. It protects the skin from harmful free radicals. A soothing cream for daily use.
Oh, that sounds really nice. I'm excited to try that, especially because it's got green tea in there, and from the sounds of it, it sounds like it's going to be a nice lightweight facial cream, like it's going to give hydration without being too thick. And I have got combination skin, and one thing I suffer with is hormonal breakouts around the time of the month, particularly around my chin and on my forehead, and it drives me insane. And I still get dryness, but then I get the breakouts and I'm like, I need cream, but I can't have anything too thick. So I will definitely give this a go, and this might actually work really well for my skin type. And apparently it's also cruelty free as well, which is great. And I'm going to give this a little go on the back of my hand just to see how it feels and to see if it has a scent to it, because I want to know if it smells like green tea or raspberries. So let's have a little smell. Oh, that feels nice. Oh, you can smell the green tea in there, I think, a little bit. I can't really smell the raspberries. It's not overly fragranced, which I'm quite happy about, because I was worried, oh, if it's got raspberries, will it have fragrance in there? But no. You can smell the green tea for definite, but it's very light. It's got a nice light feeling and it feels quite soothing. Next up, we have something from This Works, and this is their Perfect Legs Skin Miracle. This is one of two products that you could end up with in your box. So you could either get this in your box, or you could get their In Transit Camera Close-Up, which is actually very nice. I've tried it and I've used it before, and it's a really good moisturiser. But I've ended up with this, which I'm very happy about because I've not tried this before. So I've got some information on the website about this, so I can read it out and see what it has to say.
Treat your pins to This Works Perfect Legs Skin Miracle, a tinted serum that applies effortlessly to deliver subtle colour and a sun-kissed glow. Enriched with vitamin C and D, the non-greasy formula blends seamlessly onto skin to conceal the appearance of bruising and imperfections, whilst evening out skin tone and creating a natural-looking sheen. A delicate blend of caramel and arnica work to smooth the surface texture and deeply hydrate for bare-legged confidence all year round. Skin looks healthy, refined and revitalised with top-to-toe radiance. Okay,
so that sounds really interesting. So this is a tinted kind of serum for your legs to give your legs a little bit of a glow. Gonna be entirely honest, I don't think I'll be using this a lot this year or at this point in time, because I will not be getting my legs out for much, and especially being in lockdown there won't be any need to, but I'll give this a try, and I'll definitely use this next year when it gets warmer and I'll be getting my legs out. And I've not tried this before, and I'm very curious to see what it does and what it's like and what it smells like and how it makes my legs feel and how much tan it gives my legs. So I will give this a go and I will report back. But that sounds very interesting, and This Works is a really great brand. They do some really nice products. I've tried loads of their things in the past and they do have really good quality products, and they've always got a nice formula to them, so I have high hopes for that. So that is that product, and this is a 30ml size, and with the other product, the In Transit Camera Close-Up, you will get a 15ml size of that if you get that in your box. Next up, we have something from Kingsley, and it's the Pure Colour Frizz Fighting Gloss. Now this is again another product you could end up with either this, or you could get in your box the Kingsley Bodybuilding Shampoo and Conditioner. I have this, and this is a 20ml size. Now I'm going to be honest with you, I do not colour my hair and I do not have frizzy hair, so I don't think I'll be using this. I will probably give this to my mum because I imagine that she would use this, and she loves Kingsley. We both do actually. So I'm actually going to get some information up on this because I'm curious to know what it contains and how you use it. I'm guessing you put it on after you've washed your hair when it's dry or damp, but I could be wrong, so let's have a little look.
Designed to supplement your heat styling routine, this innovative treatment casts an invisible, weightless veil over your hair that delivers mirror-like shine and effectively tames wayward frizz. It boasts incredible heat protection up to 190 degrees C, as well as fending against UV damage and free radicals in order to maintain the vibrancy of your colour. The formula is infused with a lightweight blend of silicones that won't build up on your hair to protect and condition for a high shine finish. What's more, Vitantriol encourages suppleness and sheen as it improves the texture of damaged, chemical-treated hair and boosts moisture retention.
So you apply this after washing your hair through the ends, and then you would style it and blow dry it as you usually would. Now for me, I don't have coloured hair and I don't really dry my hair that much, so I personally wouldn't use this, but I'll give this to my mum because I know she'll get a lot of use out of that. And the fact that it protects your hair up to 190 degrees heat is actually really, really good. So that is something else you get in there, and I imagine that'll be very good for anyone who colours their hair or has more frizzy or more curly hair and who uses a lot of heat products on their hair. So that is another thing you get, something for the hair. And then we have one more product. So last thing for the November beauty box this month is from Lord & Berry, and it's their eyeliner pencil, and this is in the shade 230. Now this is another thing that you could end up with one or two products of, so you could either end up with a gold shade or a bronze shade. Now I think I've got the bronze shade, but I'm not entirely sure. No, actually, is that the... No, I think that's possibly the gold shade. So this is what it looks like, but that has a lovely formula. Now, the nice thing about this is that it's got a nice sheen to it. It's a bit more matte than I thought it was going to be, and that's got a lovely texture. It glides on really well, and it feels like it's going to be very easy to apply, and this will be a lovely shade for the festive season and something a little bit more different as opposed to wearing like a black eyeliner. That is the final thing that you get in the November box, and that is everything. So that is everything that you get in the November beauty box from Look Fantastic. I really hope you enjoyed seeing what you get in this month's box. I think that there's a really nice mixture in this box. I think they've got some really nice skincare products in there and also some makeup as well. So definitely quite a few things from this box that I have never tried before, and again some new brands that I've never heard of or come across before. So I'm really going to enjoy trying those things out. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you are new as well, and I will see you all next time. Bye guys!